Real shit on here though. Only person who is faithful in himself is able to be faithful to others. You know what I mean? They just be speaking real shit. Follow the light.
So what you about to do, bro?
You want me to rap or something?
Yeah, do something. Do something.
Instrumentals.com.
Life is but a dream, turn into reality. Cause honestly, I feel like I can eat any of these other niggas, ain't none of them hot as me. I'm the best rapper and I'm saying that shit modestly. How can I have perfect time if everybody's clocking me? Everybody's watching me, ain't no red light stopping me. No fuck that, ain't no stopping me until they put some shots at me. Gotta calm me down, so you should probably get some Ciroc in me. Charizard ain't as hot as me and Pikachu ain't shocking me, so just stop shocking me. But if not, I'ma be stabbing them with some screwdriver, no orange juice and vodka G. Honestly, I could be the prodigy of Pac and G that came back as an omni-beat. Cause I need a lot of cheese, I flip it low and I flop it up. Names on mine, gotta lock it up, and I spit so much, gotta mop it up. I'm the shit, nigga, stop it up, huh? No, bring it back, I'm about to kill this shit. Send me to the hospital, started prescribing pills and shit. Word to the nurse, she just kept saying I'm the illest, but she felt she had to call the cops because I kept on killing shit. Way above you niggas, I think I'm over the building, bitch. Knocking all these good guys off like I think I'm a villain, bitch. Bilingual, cause all I'm talking's money and music. If you ain't talking money and music, then what are you doing? No fucking buddy, you losing, so now your girlfriend is choosing. So sick, you better hope I run out of breath. And I'm fuck it, dog. You know what I mean? I sacrifice a lot of that shit. You know what I mean? I does this.
You got another one though, right?
Oh yeah. Book full of confessions. Nigga, this is perfect, I ain't looking for corrections. These niggas is scared, so now they looking for protection. Money is the only thing I look for in recession. I'm flyer than George Jetson, nigga, you Fred Flintstone. I'm just looking for a throne to sit on, or a crown to fit on. That's fitting for a king. Anyone can ball, but see LeBron ain't got a ring because he left his team. I guess that makes me Kobe. Starting five is smooth, she know me, shooter rent OG. I'ma need that trophy, headed where the hoes be, they know me. I'ma spit this crack until I OD. That's word to Whitney Houston. I've lost but never losing. They talks but never do's it. They thought I never do it, nigga, damn. Well, I'ma make it even if I gotta go alone. Tell my haters they can split like a chromosome. I'm a young star, Macaulay Culkin, home alone. Rest in peace to any beat that I'm going on. What's going on? What's happening? Nigga, it is known my flow colder than Alaskans. Who's the best rapper? That depends on who you're asking. In my opinion, most of these rappers belong in the trash can, except a certain few. Cause all these bitches wave when I'm surfing through. They want me to lose. I win though. Where the curtains, book? Yeah. Said where the curtains, book?